Are you going to see if Santa came or not?
Yes. Look, Mommy.
Did he come?
Yes, he brought all my presents.
All your presents?
All right. Well, let's see. Go ahead.
Can I open it?
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Look, Mommy. Look at this one.
Okay, sit right here. Open it.
Bless you, Stanky.
Go ahead, open it. Turn the other side and open it. Uh-oh, what's inside of it? What is it?
No, what? It's a truck?
Yeah, we can build it. With screws and screwdrivers.
These are screwdrivers.
It's inside. I'll give it to Mommy.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead. Go get them. See what else you have.
Look at this one. This is so big.
It's so big.
Yep.
That's the one Santa left on Trina's house.
What is it?
Yeah, let me see your nose. You have snots in there. Let me see your nose real quick.
Nasty.
Oh, wow. What is this?
That was for you.
I can't see.
This is now. These for girls.
Not for girls. Look at the front. You're going to say it's not for girls. Turn around. Dinosaurs.
No comment. What's that?
A cutter thing.
No, it's not colored. Look, turn around. Play-Doh.
It is Play-Doh. 3-cup Play-Doh.
Next.
Oh, you got a lot of gifts. You got a lot of gifts. Can I have one? Oh, he's so cute. All right, Merry Christmas.
This one, Santa Claus left this one with Grandma Yan.
Is that for Grandma?
Yeah, it's from Santa Claus from Grandma Yan. She put Santa Claus together for you.
It's the new book. See, that's one you got.
No, I didn't get this one.
No, that's one you got like me. See, that's one you got like me.
That's when I'm happy. That's a new book.
You for you.
That's for you. That's a teddy bear and his daddy. Okay, bring all the toys right here for me.
This is a really big one.
This one is a huge one, huh? All right, let's see.
Whoa. What?
what you were looking for?
Yeah. I look. See, that's from this. See, from the store.
Yeah, you told Santa Claus you wanted, right?
Yep.
You heard it, girl.
Mommy, motorcycle. He's a motorcycle.
Mommy.
Merry Christmas.
Let's hit the road.
Do me a favor, take some still photos.
Here, Mom. Put this right there.
Okay.
These are all garbage.
I got it. Go ahead.
Look at this.
Okay.
Great.
This is from Santa from Daddy's friend.
Yep. The monster.
Oh, man.
Start your engines.
See that?
Oh, look!
Garbage. Garbage. I got the other one.
No, take some still ones before he finishes opening all of them.
What is it?
Take some still ones before he finishes opening all of them.
It's the
Who's the
nether
photographer?
one.
Yours.
Baby, I don't have my camera. Do it.
Who's the photographer?
Alright.
It's a nether truck. It's a nether truck. This is a nether truck, Mommy.
Got another still truck?
Wow. Baby. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
My gift.
No, it's my gift.
Where's my gift?
No.
Alright, come on. Let's see what else you have.
Don't touch my gift.
It's not nice.
My gift.
Don't stop it. Call them gift.
Photographer, can you please do what the person who requested your services asked?